What's up guys, welcome to a new vlog. Ray here, excited to bring to you another video guys. I'm so excited because guess what, it's on a Thursday and it's shoe of the week. But guess what, this week it's different. I'm gonna quickly do an unboxing of, as you can see, of course it's an Adidas shoe. But before we do that, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. So, no knives today, just open it up. It's an easy shoe, 350, easy 350. So, it's not nothing on the other side, it's just made by Adidas and all that stuff. Alright, 350. There we go. This is the shoe of the week. Unboxing. A little bit different. I love it though. I love the colorway. This one is called, let me see, Ashton. I don't know if you can read that. That's how they decided to call it, the Ashton. I love this one's really gonna be good for the gym or just walking around the city. I don't know if I'm gonna be rocking this because lately it has been raining, so I don't know if I'm just gonna be rocking them in the gym, maybe. But good colorway, love it, love this colorway. All right, the Ashton Yeezy 350 V2. There we go. That's it for today, guys. Shoe of the week. Catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and be kind to one another. Peace.